In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync files from your desktop to the cloud using OneDrive, a task you can easily complete in just a few minutes. This process ensures your important documents, pictures, and folders are securely backed up and accessible from anywhere. First, you'll need to locate either the white or the blue OneDrive cloud icon in your notification area. This icon is typically found in the taskbar on the lower right corner of your desktop screen. It's your gateway to start managing OneDrive on your device. Once you've located the OneDrive icon, click on it. After that, search for the Help and Settings gear icon. A click on it will present a drop-down menu from which you should select Settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to manage how your files are synced and backed up on OneDrive. In the Settings menu, focus your attention on the Sync and Backup tab. Here, you will see options for managing how OneDrive handles the files on your desktop. Click on Manage Backup to proceed. This is where you'll decide which folders you want to continually sync with OneDrive. You'll see a list of folders that are currently eligible for backup. For each folder you wish to sync, toggle the switch to On. This option ensures automated syncing of these folders with OneDrive, meaning any changes or additions made will be continuously updated in the cloud, securing your data effectively. After toggling your desired folders, it's important to save these changes. Simply click Save Changes to confirm your sync preferences. This confirms that OneDrive should start backing up the selected folders according to your specifications. Beyond automated syncing, there's a manual option where you can manage files individually. For this, head over to your OneDrive folder within the File Explorer. Here, you'll manually sync files from your desktop that aren't automatically included in the selected folders. Locate the specific files or folders you'd like to upload to the cloud. Drag and drop them directly into the OneDrive folder in File Explorer. This move copies your selected files into OneDrive, ensuring they're backed up even if they're not in the autosync folders. Remember, for files to start syncing, your computer must be online. Once it's connected to the internet, your files will begin syncing automatically. You'll notice a small sync icon appearing on these files within the OneDrive folder, indicating the upload process is underway. And that's it. By following these steps, you ensure your data is backed up and easily accessible on the cloud via OneDrive. Keeping your files safe and accessible anywhere can give you peace of mind knowing you have a backup in place. Happy syncing!